Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Asana login issues. Workspace access problems step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Asana login method. Because Google, Microsoft, SSO, and email/password accounts are not interchangeable. Next, double-check the exact email address you used to create your Asana account, and try logging in with that same address. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page and reset it using the email inbox that matches your account. Open your email and confirm the reset link is not blocked by spam or promotions folders. Then set a new strong password. If you use Google Login, sign out of other Google accounts in your browser and then sign in only with the account connected to Asana. If you use Microsoft Login, do the same by logging out of extra Microsoft sessions and selecting the correct work or school account. If your company uses SSO, choose the SSO option and enter your organization domain. Then complete any MFA prompts. Check your internet connection by loading another secure site, because unstable networks can cause repeated login loops. Try an incognito or private window to rule out cache data or extension conflicts affecting the Asana sign-in page. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Asana. Then fully close and reopen the browser before trying again. Disable ad blockers, privacy extensions, or script blockers temporarily, because they can prevent authentication pages from loading. Update your browser to the latest version, since outdated browsers may fail modern login and security requirements. If you are on mobile, update the Asana app from the App Store or Google Play and then restart your phone. Verify your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure login tokens. If Asana says no access to Workspace, confirm you accepted the Workspace invitation in the email you received. Search your inbox for Asana invitation and open the invite using the same browser profile you used to log in. If you were invited to a different email, ask the admin to invite the correct email or add you as a member to the right workspace. If you are inside Asana but in the wrong place, click your profile photo and use the workspace or organization switcher to change. Check whether you are logged into a personal workspace while your team is in an organization workspace with a company domain. If you see a request to verify your email, complete verification, because unverified emails can limit access. Ask your workspace admin to confirm your membership status, because guests and members have different access levels. Have the admin check if your account was deactivated or removed, and request reactivation if needed. If you are blocked by an admin-managed message, follow your IT policy or ask IT to allow Asana in your identity provider settings. Check Asana's status page for outages, because service incidents can temporarily prevent logins or workspace loading. If you recently changed your email, try logging in with the old email and then update it in account settings after access is restored. Try a different network or disable VPN temporarily, because some VPNs or firewalls interfere with authentication and redirects. If none of these steps work, contact Asana support and include your email, workspace name, screenshots, and the exact error message. Before you submit a ticket, note the time of the issue, your browser version, and whether you used Google, Microsoft, SSO, or password login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.